Huh. Okay, so over the last year, I've been working on a project that to me has been so special and so awesome that to introduce it, I want to do it in the best way possible. And I've been looking for the perfect time to make this video and to release it and to show everyone what I've been working on. And about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago, I started to realize that there is no perfect time to do this, that the truck will never be done, that there's always going to be something that I'm going to work on that's going to make it more perfect, that's going to make it ready for that intro that I think that it deserves. And so today I realized that I'm just going to do it. I'm going to hurry up and make some video and to edit it just to in a quick way and get it out there, because I've been sitting on it for way too long, and it's time to do it. It's time to let this thing be free.